Hey everyone, welcome. So I finally took the leap. I finally jumped into the deep end here with Skool. I've had the Melody Experiment, which is a course that I've been running online. I have a website, and basically what happens there is you go on the website, you have a look at it, and if you like what you see, of course, you sign on as a member. Okay, and then you go into the members area, and I have the whole course there, the producer's corner. There's a lot to it. But there's one thing that's always been missing, and that's a community. Now, you can have, of course, a community on Facebook. You can create one there. You can create groups. But to be honest with you, it doesn't cover all the bases of what you need. So inside of a community, of course, there's going to be people. You want members in there sharing their experiences, sharing their stories, sharing their songwriting techniques. But at the same time, you also want to be able to upload, like I'm going to be doing here, which is basically modules from the Melody Experiment. I'm going to be offering these modules for free here in the community, just to give also as examples of different songwriting techniques. There's a huge difference there between having a Facebook songwriting group and something like Skool that offers a holistic environment, basically, where you can do all of it. Okay, you can have the community, you can have the chat there, you can have the classroom. I want to create an environment where people can come in and share their experiences, their songwriting techniques, their songs, where we can have members that basically comment and offer constructive criticism of other people's songs and potentially even forming co-writes. There's a lot of potential there with a group like this. You don't have to play an instrument. If you do, it's great. I always felt that it's a big advantage, obviously, to play one of the two main songwriting instruments, which is guitar and piano. But if you don't, it's not the end of the world. There are so many ways to write a song these days, especially with virtual instruments, not AI, okay, not AI, but virtual instruments of all kinds. But anyhow, that's the long and short of it. This is the purpose of this group. I'm really looking forward to sharing ideas, because that is the objective, to touch on different songwriting techniques from members, but also to discuss songwriting techniques of the greats. Bruce Springsteen, Michael Jackson, like the big songwriters, John Lennon, Paul McCartney. What did they do? How did they write their songs? So a lot of that, and that's why that profile picture is like that, because I want it to be a community where we actually touch on inspiration from everywhere. All right. So if you're interested in that, press the join button, and I'll see you on the inside.